Ziakala manje. Ziakala manje.
Let's talk about Dr. Maweni.
In a twist of reality TV and real-life drama, Gogo Maweni, the controversial Sangoma and star of Thoko's Gogo, made her court appearance with cameras rolling for her hit Moha Love show. Facing serious charges, she stood strong, supported by her husband, family, and attorney, unfazed by the tension surrounding her. With her bail extended to May 5th, the stakes are higher than ever. The courtroom may be silent for now, but the anticipation is deafening. Slightly faster pace. What secrets will be uncovered? What twists will shock us next? This is more than just a case. This is a story waiting to explode. Stay tuned, because the drama is far from over.
Ziakala manje. Ziakala manje.